Alright, now I am plugging in the USB port, the first one, into this port. Plus I'm going to put in the audio, which is supposed to go somewhere here. Yeah, this one. And then plus the other USB, because remember there are two USB somewhere here, the slow one and the fastest one. So this slow one is supposed to go into this port here. Well, I think, yeah, this one. And then plus this switch or jump or reset cables, they're supposed to go to, remember earlier I jumped it from here. So this is where these cables are going to. You can check it has a written word. Just mark it on the thing and then plug it there. Just be careful. If you're not so sure, just follow the manuals. And then that's it. So let me just go ahead and plug in all those things in there.